Nakalimutan ko yung ano ng bisikleta ko. So, saglit lang ako naman. So, tingin tayo sa pasok tayo sa game store, right? Okay. It's open. Okay. Dito tayo. Alright. That's a new right over here. Oh. Controller for the Xbox 360. Oh, nice. For only $50, right? You get some battery pack for Xbox 360. And of course some games, right guys? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Dami oh. Okay. Fallout. Meron siyang Far Cry. Yung Mortal Kombat 11. Okay, guys. At saka yung Mortal Kombat 10. Ayos ha? Okay. Ganda diba? So, Watch Dogs. Yes. Got some Watch Dogs over here. Right. Nice game. Alright, and then over here you got some stuff like you got some Power A controllers. Okay, just like mine, right? Oh, $40. Right, so then we got some another Xbox 360 right over here.
Alright, so Carbon is that handle, and then we got Andrew, Jackson, Cameron, and Andrew.
$40. Then, Joy-Con. Ito Joy-Con ko kasi nga itong dito sa Joy-Con ko hindi na siya gaano gumana, so I think kailangan ko magpalit ng bago for the Nintendo Switch, right? And also right there.
Alright, we have Steven versus Leah, and Eric versus Kyle.
What's with the camera?
Yeah.
What's with the camera?
Action camera.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Just looking for games that I can recommend to the people. Is that okay
Are
for
you live right now?
Huh?
Are you live right now?
No.
Okay. What are you filming for? I don't want you filming me.
Okay, it's okay. So, ayun. Hindi pala pwede mag-vlog dito eh. So, hindi pwede mag-video ng mga games nila. So, hindi nila ako magpahalata. So, nakalagay na lang siya sa aking nakalagay siya. So, for Nintendo Switch Lite. For Nintendo Switch Lite. Right? So, hindi pwede mag-vlog. So, hindi ko lang. So, kanal pa dito. Marami dito. Right? So, may mga pang NES dito. Right? So, may mga NES, right? So, Duck Hunt, My Brothers, Chef Meat. Dami pala eh. So, ito Mike Tyson. Right, so right. Got some stuff right over here guys. So, ang dami din ang mga games na pang NES dito. So, alright. And also, they got some consoles right over here. So, they got some 360, right? And then also, Xbox One, right? They got some another. Sega. We got the Sega Saturn, Game Gear, and also the Sega Genesis. Right, so ang dami nila mga games dito guys. So ayun, parang games of heaven, right? So the DS XL. So I kind of got the DS XL here. So nice, Nintendo Game Boy. Kompleto sila. So yung wala ko nitong Game Boy, itong 3DS XL, at saka yung Game Boy Advance, wala rin ako. Game Boy Pocket, wala ko yan eh. So saka yung bago Nintendo 3DS, right? At saka yung DSi. So at saka dito sa ibabaw, mayroon lang mga games pa dito, right? So 200 na lang yung OLED, oh. Wow, okay ah. 200 yung OLED. And then also we got some Sony PlayStation right over here. We got some PlayStation 4 in a camouflage Slim, PlayStation 4 whatever what is Slim, PlayStation 3. At saka meron pa dito sa ibabaw. So PlayStation VR headset. Mga action figures, at saka dito yung mga PlayStation 5 controller, right? Refurbished. Nice, okay. So and we got some PlayStation 1 games right over here. So we got some Blade, right? We got some Blade right over here for only 40. So and then we got many games right over here, right? Alright, so ayun sila guys. So kung actually nakapag-turnan kayo sa mga games dito, this for the Sega Dreamcast, right? Sega Dreamcast, okay. Sonic Adventure, mga laro. Ito pa, so itong Sega na ito, right? Yun siya. Kaso wala pa ako trabaho para so I think next week makapagtrabaho na ako next week. So pinit pa tayo dito, right? So ayun siya, yung mga mga 3D card games na ito, dami diba? So and also we got some over here, Star Trek, and then got some Dungeons and Dragons right over here. So 3D card game yan. So okay, so yun na muna ngayon, okay. So buti nandito pa yung bike ko. Okay, so ayun na. So then okay, ayun na. Alright guys, so sinabihan kasi ako na hindi pwede mag-video eh. So I think siguro kailangan pa nila ng authorization, na makapag-vlog sa loob ng Game Masters. Pero sa iba okay lang naman. Na mag-vlog, hindi ba? So siguro doon sa GameStop pwede siguro, right? Kasi nga so pang games. So saglit na nakapagpakita ko sa inyo ng mga games, right? So kahit saglit, di ba, nakapagpakita ko sa inyo ng mga games. So kung mahilig kayo sa games, I will link down below sa game and channel ko. Marami akong mga gameplays doon. Marami akong mga gameplays doon na mga laro na ina-upload weekly at saka monthly. So check nyo po. Okay, check nyo po at saka check nyo po yung gaming channel ko. Alright, so yan na nga, pauwi na rin ako. Oh, okay. Actually, alas 5 pa ng hapon na yun eh. Madilim na, di ba? So, next time ulit. Okay, so punta tayo ng thrift store. So, kasi ngayong week na ito, pupunta kasi kami ng California. Doon kami celebrate ng Pasko. Kasi nandoon yung pamangkin ko nakatira with her husband. So kaya ayun, right? Bakit ang luwag ng bonnet na ito eh, parati nakaano. So ini-straight ko lang itong daan na ito na dinaanan ko kanina, right? So yeah, so and then dito ako dadaan yung kanina kong dinaanan, right? So oh, lamig ha. Oh, grabe. Okay. Hindi na ako na dito na ako dadaan, right? So kabisado ko na rin yung daan eh. Okay. So ayan, okay, pauwi na tayo. So next time punta tayo ng thrift store, right? So alright, here we go. Tatawid lang ako. Doon ako sa may maliwanag. Right. Ayan. Ayos. Okay. Ayan, ayos. Oh. Ayan. Huwag na tayo. So, alright. Oops. Okay. So ayun, medyo madilim yung mukha ko, so dito tayo sa mas maliwanag. Okay, ayun siya. Okay, so yun lang muna ngayon. Sana po nagustuhan yung vlog ko. So, and also thank you so much for watching. +1 ulit, so 870 na yung subscribers ko. So sana patuloy-tuloy na ito. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, so para ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming future videos po dito sa aking channel. Okay, so stay tuned and see you again on the next video, everyone.